So what's up everyone and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial to get into. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to view analytics in Google Sites. So firstly, make sure you already have a Google Analytics property set up and have your measurement ID ready. Open your Google site in Google Sites, then click Settings in the top right corner. In the Settings panel, find and select Analytics, and you'll see a field where you can enter your Google Analytics tracking ID. Paste your Google Analytics measurement ID into the box and make sure Analytics is enabled using the toggle switch. Now, close the Settings panel, then publish your site if you haven't already. Google Analytics may take some time before new traffic appears in your report, so don't worry if you don't immediately see visitor data. And that's it, Google Analytics is now connected to your Google site, allowing you to monitor traffic and understand how visitors interact with your website. If this tutorial helped you out, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. I will see you on the next one.